Wait, I got you something as well.
Yeah?
There you go.
What is this? So you can see how bad the steering is off. Guys, the new alloys are looking crazy good.
I was gonna do when he is getting married, but...
And hopefully we pass MOT. You know what? It's people like that that's restored my, what do you say? It's heartwarming, it's heartwarming.
Salvage Nation.
This video is sponsored by CARVERTICAL. CARVERTICAL is a cut above the rest because actually it's better for me to show you. Check this out.
Recently, I've been taking L's like...
Now I'm laughing, but inside I'm actually crying. Oh my God. Guys, what is this? Give me a minute, I'm gonna stop now. Give me a minute, give me a minute.
But instead of crying about it, that's where CARVERTICAL comes in. CARVERTICAL is an online website where you can look up the history of any vehicle. Imagine a standard history check on steroids. It's used by millions of people across the world and it searches databases in over 50 countries. Now check this out. Recently, I wanted to purchase an Audi A3 for a client. Now, when I saw this car, it was a previous accident repair. So I'd done a full history check on it with CARVERTICAL. Now, once you receive your report, it will bring you to this summary page. This page kind of gives you an overview of everything, but what I really like is this spotted activity. This gives you a full list and breakdown of all activity of the car's life, from the date it was manufactured, to the date it had its next MOT, to the date it was written off, to the date it was potentially stolen, etc, etc. Speaking of stolen, it also checks over 50 other databases just to make sure this car was not stolen in any other country. That's very important. Next, you get a full breakdown of the mileage, but what I'm most impressed with is CARVERTICAL actually goes back in time and it tells you exactly what was damaged on the car. As long as it was written off, it will have the information on CARVERTICAL. Remember I told you this thing was on steroids? There you go, it actually shows you the damaged photos. These are the photos no one wants you to see when they're selling cars. Any damage, any history is picked up and it's there for you to see so you can make an informed decision. It gives you advice of what to look out for. It gives you a checklist of things that could potentially go wrong with this model. It gives you accurate valuations. And the number one thing I'm always asked, how can I tell the spec of a car before I buy it? Well, there you go. There's so much insight that you can gain about your new potential purchase by getting a full car check from CARVERTICAL.
So guys, use the discount code, click the link down below, and on your next purchase, whether it's a salvage car, used car, or even a new car, if you want to know the history of your next purchase, check out CARVERTICAL. Let's continue with the video.
Previously on
Salvage Nation. We love the Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans are not support.
If you look all the way down in the back just now, you'll see the little Mercedes GLA that we've been working on. There didn't seem to be a lot of interest in this car, and I wasn't going to do this video, but then I thought, you know what, let me just wrap it up. Today we've got a lot of stuff to do, and once we've done all of that, I'm going to be breaking down the price, letting you guys know exactly what it costs. But like I said, there's a lot of stuff to do, so we're going to head off now, go to the tyre shop, MOT shop, tracking, lots of stuff. Let's roll on the video. We've got the alloys that are powder coated, we've got the tyres, we've got some tyre pressure monitors, there's a whole ton of stuff in the boot. And then this is the first time we're driving the car on the road. I've stuck it on my trader's insurance. I've got an MOT booked, so I'm legally ready to drive to the MOT station. And then after that we can tax it, and yeah, hopefully this car should be gone. So you can see how bad the steering is off. It definitely needs tracking. Windstorm, wipers are working, everything on that front is all working. There's no engine light, and I've got a tyre monitor light because these tyres that I've got, they haven't got the sensors inside. So once we mount the new tyres onto the original alloys, all of that should go off. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get to the tyre shop.
So with my confidence growing, I took the car, dare to say, on the motorway, and we were in Hackney. They're the tyre pressure monitors that I removed from the alloys, and it was time to refit them onto the newly refurbished alloys. How sick are they looking? With the sensors fitted, it was time to fit the tyres and have a look. Anthracite black with a textured finish. These things came out so good. Once they were all mounted, we had to balance them, and then time to get them on the car. Now I know it's simply just refitting some alloys, but the fact that I have powder coated these myself for the first time, it makes it so much better. I'm telling you, my two hands did this. Have a look at that. It's looking sweet.
Guys, the new alloys are looking crazy good. Now they're all fitted, balanced, everything's ready to go. The car's gonna go up, get tracked, and then I'm gonna head off to MOT, and hopefully we pass MOT. That's just a little update. Now, we keep it moving. Alright, you guys, tracking all done. Let's head down to the MOT shop quickly and get this car washed up. All paid up. This should be a lot better to drive now. Let's go. So guys, I ended up stopping off at the car wash, got the car cleaned. My camera battery's dead, so I'm using my phone. Hope this is as good, or might be better. But have a look at that paintwork, man. Paintwork is looking nice. And these are just the markings. I need to take them off. Those are just the markings on the wheels so that I know which sensor is in which wheel. I've got the pictures for the sensors, but come on, man. This thing's looking nice. I've come down to see my guy Sheriff Auto Spares down in Hackney. We're gonna get MOT done, and then we're gonna head back.
Right guys, we're catching up the following morning, and good news, we passed. Now it's time to refit all the missing plastics, trims, etc, etc. Time to buckle up this car. And there you have it, guys. We went ahead, we refitted everything. This thing has come out amazing. I couldn't be happier, and the new owner couldn't be happier either, because the new owner is one of my subscribers. The total spend on the car is around £9,500. The value of the car is around 14 to 15k, so we've come in under budget, and it looks amazing.
So guys, there you have it. We've wrapped up this build, wrapped up this car, and we've got the new owner. Mr. Charlie, what do you think of the car?
It's very good.
Yeah?
Been waiting a lot.
You've been waiting a long time.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Honestly, guys, you and your dad and your family, all the best. Hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Wait, I got you something as well.
Yeah? Oh God. What did you get me?
Wait, it's coming.
Oh dear.
There you go.
What is this?
Something.
Oh, okay. See, this is new. No, this is. Oh my God. Guys. Oh. No, you know what? This is the first. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cheers, man.
Mate, listen, thank you very much.
All the
Thank
best.
you very much.
And another one.
No,
That's
for
for
Mustafa.
Yeah.
Come on, let's give it to him. Ace of Spades.
I had it for
No, that's
like
it.
6-7 years, this one.
You've had it for 6-7. I'm privileged, man. I feel proud.
Listen, I was gonna do it when he is getting married, but
No,
it's
no,
gonna
no,
be a long
sure,
time.
sure, keep it.
No, no,
keep
that's
it.
no.
Look at that.
But hopefully 2 weeks time, and then you.
Yeah.
Chivas. What's Chivas?
Chivas.
Yeah, this is good.
Ah,
Thank you.
no, thank you very much. So, thank you, D.
All the best, man. Enjoy.
There you have it, guys. This one is a little bit more special. To see the look on Charlie and his father's face, man, it's what it's all about. Another one bites the dust.
So guys, first of all, I am so gassed. He gave me a bottle of Ace of Spades as a present to say thank you. So massive shout out to Charlie and his dad, who are one of my best subscribers. Like, they subscribed a long time ago. They watch all my stuff. They're always in the comments. And when they saw that we had the GLA, they reached out straight away, led by Charlie. So Charlie, if you're watching this, thank you. And your dad followed. Ace of Spades. You know what? It's people like that that's restored my, what do you say? It's heartwarming. It's heartwarming for subscribers to come down, show so much love. And yeah, so I'm happy. It's Friday, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna enjoy. Guys, don't forget to check out CARVERTICAL. Do all your checks. Don't make the mistakes that I've been making recently. I've got a massive update on the Range Rover build that never happened, that got stolen. And you'll see why companies like CARVERTICAL are so important. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. Another build done. I'm happy, I'm gassed. Keep it moving. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.